everyone, thanks so much for watching my channel. I'm so excited. So for today's video, I decided to make this little clip for something that's so near and dear to my heart, something that I developed over a few months, and I kind of just want to share with you guys. So most of you guys already watch my channel, so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. But it is aromatherapy. I love aromatherapy. I love different oils. I actually have them diffusing everywhere in my house. I have a diffuser, I have a few oils, things like that. So for this video, I actually partnered with a company called GuruNanda. This is how they look like. So this is the diffuser that we are going to be using today. It's a Rose Gold Oil diffuser. So this actually changes color, which is super cool. I'm so excited. Let me show you guys which oils we're going to be using today and what they do. So the first oil that we're going to be using today is the orange one, and this is known to be very refreshing and uplifting, and this is known to be very cleansing and purifying. Last one that we're going to be trying out is the Himalayan Cedarwood. This one is known to be very grounding. So this is the oil diffuser. When you first open the top, it looks just like this. What comes inside is the charger. So now what you have to do first is you fill it halfway with 100 milliliters of water. And then you put 2 to 3 drops of your oil that you're going to be using, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Then you click this power button right over here and you're all set. This is the orange essential oil. Let's go ahead and smell it and see what it smells like. Okay, so it definitely smells like orange. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just click the button. So you guys, I just went ahead and finished with the orange oil, and it began to start already, and so far it's been pretty good. So I definitely feel a lot more refreshed and uplifted from the orange one. Let's go ahead and try the tea tree for the next one. Let's first smell it. Wow, okay, tea tree is it's like very woody, if that makes sense. It smells very tense. It says it helps cleanse and purify. I think it's way too strong for me. For something to kind of diffuse throughout the room. I don't know if I would use this one. I definitely so far like the orange. Let's go ahead and add a few drops and let's just see how it does. So you guys, the tea tree was a little way too intense for me after smelling it. So let's just go ahead and move on to our last one. So the last one is going to be the Himalayan Cedarwood. It looks just like this. The smell is for grounding. Thank you so much for watching my small tutorial of the new aromatherapy oils that I got to try with you guys today from our GuruNanda Oil Diffuser. I'm super excited. Thank you so much, GuruNanda. I had a blast trying out all your different oils. And again, if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to just leave all the comments down below and I'll be happy to answer. And again, thank you so much for watching. Toodles!